Assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome back to new class. This is Niyamat Hussain. I would like to discuss about some topics of these classes. We are passing every moment through lockdowns, but our education system can't be locked down. Let's get started. I will discuss about this topic is young man. A young man long ago, a young man who lived in a village found his life full of problems and suffering, cause it feeling jealousy, enmity, all were part of everyday life there. So he left his house and went to jungle to live by himself. There he met a nice little hut with wood, bamboo, and reeds. Ah, how I am here, said the man to himself. Long ago, a young man who lived in a village found his life full of problems and suffering, caused it feeling jealousy, enmity, see all were a part of his life. But one day he found some bees in his hut. The little creature soon made holes in his blanket. So he bought a cat to kill the mouse. Meat. The cat needed milk, so he bought a cow. The cow needed grass and hair. He bought a cow hand. Then the cow needed food, so he took a wife to cook milk. Then the children were born to them, and the man found himself again in a family. How can a people live in a village without family? I will discuss about some words, these verses. Why did the man go to the jungle? Why did the man go jungle? Why did the man go to jungle? The answer for me is live alone, live together, say, take a wife. Establish a family here. Establish a family here. Establish a here. Which is the best correct answer? Why did the man go to the jungle? Correct answer is live alone. Live alone. Why did the man go to the jungle? Correct answer is from live alone. Next. Who cannot live alone? Two. Who cannot live alone. One, a young man to Angel City Stevens for woman friends who cannot live alone. The correct answer is a young man, a angel, Tibet, human beings. Correct answer is human beings. Three. Taman thought. Daman thought he could be dash. He would be the John of Allen. The man thought he could be in the jungle alone. One, unhappy. Two, happy. Three, sad. End. The man thought he could be kept in the jungle alone. The correct answer is unhappy. Four, the man dash society to live in a jungle. Society to live in a jungle. The man dash society to live in a jungle. One, departed. Two, abandoned. Three, muted. Impaired. The man dash society to live in a jungle. The correct answer is abandoned. the word. Full means one. Organized. Satisfied. He floated. For complete. The word full means ফুলের পূর্ণ শব্দ কি? অর্গানাইজড, একে আছে অর্গানাইজ, দুই আছে স্যাটিসফাইড, তিনে আছে লোটেড, চারে আছে কমপ্লিট। পূর্ণ শব্দ হচ্ছে লোটেড, ফুল পরিপূর্ণ করা, ফুলের অপোজিট হচ্ছে লোটেড। Six. What does the word what does the word company means in the passage? What does the word company means in the passage? One, partner. Two, colleague. Helper. Mind. What does the word company means in the passage? This is correct answer is partner. Next, the word ill feeling means. The word ill feeling means organized. Helper to rotate. See, organized. Or bitterness. the word ill feeling means? The correct answer is bitterness. One, how can a man live alone? Question 1. How can a man live alone? একটা মানুষ কিভাবে একাকী বাস করে? এই গল্পে I think a man cannot live alone. Think a man lives alone. How can a man live alone? I think a man can't live alone without help of others. By reading this passage, we have to able to learn about many topics. The young man had a cow. He needs some milk, other things. At first he think that he was happy in the jungle. At least he think that he was unhappy in the jungle. He met his family at last. I cannot live alone in a house. It is because if I live alone in a house, there will be none to cook food, none to wash clothes, none to wash, nobody to feed, none to help me in accidents. I feel lonely. The young man found his life full of problems and suffering because ill feeling, jealousy were very common and frequently matter in his village. So he left his village. If we want to live in society, our needs can be fulfilled easily. Living in society can make us good, happy citizens. The happiness of the young man did not last in the jungle. The young man was very happy at first, but soon it started to fade away. As he faced problems one after another, at first he took a cow for his milk. The young man left his village because he thought that human society was full of problems, suffering. He also offended that caused ill feeling, jealousy, enmity, etc. Society was full of problems, were the part of every life in society. By reading this passage, we have learned that a young man was a very simple man. He was lived in a jungle, found his life. His life is full of problems, ill feeling, suffering, all over part of his life there. He lived his house and went to jungle to live himself. There he met a nice little hut with whom bears reached a house. At last he said that, "Ah, how happy I am here," said the man to himself. But one day he found some milk in his hut. The little creature soon made his house in his blanket. So he bought a cat to kill the milk. The he bought a cow. The cow needed grass and tail. The cow hand needed milk, food, milk. Then he took his wife to cook meals. At last he made a family. Dear learners, I think you have understood this passage. I will discuss about these topics in my new class or other class. We living at time lockdown. Our education can't be locked down. We are passing every moment through lockdown, but we are living at home through lockdown. Dear learners, I hope you have understood my class. I will discuss about this next class in my new video.